So we're looking forward to having makeovers. Perhaps the Jaffrey sisters can experiment on Mani or my...
We'll be back with
yes,
absolutely.
You'll be back with your makeup kit.
Yes.
Yes. So thank you so much for being on the show and for all of your tips.
Thank you for your time and your contribution, and I hope you guys all enjoyed the shows as much as I am going with the learns and takeaways. So I am definitely starting using my serums, and for definitely, you know, that's my takeaway for what I learned today. And some skincare, a little bit adding more regimen to my daily routine. And again, we need to, CTM, yes, cleansing,
toning,
moisturizer. And that just are not for women only, that's for everybody at any age, any time you can do it. Once a day.
But get your skin tight.
Yes, get your skin tight. So what's the plan for bringing them back and having makeovers?
Oh my gosh, so who's going to be our model?
I think
if we have any volunteers, you know, who would like a...
Yes,
Mani's our first volunteer.
That. Yes, please, just give me that makeover. I need to experience that, how my face would look like when I have two experts here working on my face and not just me drawing my face in like 5 minutes. So let's have that, you know, and so we'll be bringing definitely these two experts back in our studios. So stay with us and we will thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
And keep watching our show. Your feedback is very, very important. Drop us a line or two at the Mani and Fariha show.
Tell us the topics that you want us to bring for your discussion and for your entertainment and amusement and education. We love education, you know, and promoting it because we all need it.
Absolutely. So you can watch the show on Friday at 8 p.m. at Toronto360.tv, and it will be repeated on Saturday at 1 p.m. and Monday at 3 p.m. at the same channel.
Thank you so much for joining us, and until next time, goodbye and God bless.
Goodbye.